Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai coconut soup or ต้มข่าไก่ Before we begin the recipe, I want to just take a minute to talk about the tool from the Kitchen Mama. It's a can opener, electric can opener from the Kitchen Mama. Now I want to tell you, Kitchen Mama did not sponsor this video, but they did give me 2 free can opener. In this video, I will use the small can opener, but I will give the larger one away. So be sure to watch until the end of the video so you have a chance to win one. Okay, let's get started. And today I use the chicken breast and chicken thigh together because I buy the whole chicken and I cut it myself. And be sure not cut them too thin because when they cook them, they will a little bit chink. So cutting a little bit bigger. Okay, and we're gonna prepare our vegetable. First, I use the chimichurri mushroom, but you can use the white mushroom. I'm gonna just cut the bottom of mushroom. The chimichurri mushroom is just easy. You just cut in the bottom and you can use the whole top part. And if you don't have chimichurri mushroom, you can use the white mushroom. You can use any kind of mushroom, but I not recommend shiitake mushroom because shiitake mushroom it will be too strong flavor for this recipe. And if you use the white mushroom, just cut them into half. It will be perfect size for you. We are done cutting our chimichurri mushroom and I blend them very well, and now I'm gonna set them on the side and move on to the next vegetable. Next, I'm gonna cut our tomato. Okay, use 1 fresh tomato. Just gonna cut into the bite size. Okay, now our tomato done. I'm gonna set this on the side also, and next I'm gonna cut the green onion. For the green onion, I'm gonna cut about 1 inch. Okay, now our green onion done. Same thing I put on the side. Next, our red sweet pepper. Just gonna cut to the long strip. Okay, be sure to remove all the seed and cut to the wrong strip, like so. Now our sweet pepper done, set on the side. Okay, and next I'm gonna cut our lemongrass. Okay, for the lemongrass, I have the really small lemongrass today because it's from my backyard. And okay, make sure cut the bottom up. Okay, and now I'm gonna break up the flavor from the lemongrass out a little bit by using the back of my knife. And now I'm gonna cut about 1.5 inch long for the lemongrass. Okay, my lemongrass done. I set it on the side. And next, I have the galangal, but for the galangal, I have to use the frozen because it's very hard to find the fresh one. So I use like 3 slices galangal. Okay, put with the lemongrass because I'm gonna use it at the same time. And next, I have 2 shallot, and I'm gonna cut the 2 shallot. Okay, now I peel the shallot and I'm just gonna cut them only half. Okay, put with the lemongrass and galangal. Next, kaffir lime leaf. Okay, for kaffir lime leaf, just use your finger and pull out from the stem. This way, it will open up all the fragrance and the flavor from the kaffir lime leaf. And kaffir lime leaf done. Next, Thai chili. For the Thai chili, we're doing this way because we want to open up all the flavor from the chili, but we don't want too spicy into this soup, so that's why I have to bake it up this way. Next, I'm gonna cut our cilantro. Okay, for the cilantro, just thinly slice them. Okay, cilantro done. Put cilantro on the side. And I have just one last thing to cut. Okay, next I'm gonna cut the lamb. This is a big and fresh lamb. And now we're done cutting our vegetable. And next we're gonna have just to open our coconut milk with the kitchen mama can opener. Okay, this can opener very easy to use. It's just a hand free and they will stop when they finish cutting. And you can see they not leave any sharpener on the side, and also it's easy to remove the top. Okay, because they have a little magnet over here. Okay, and now I'm gonna remove the top part of our coconut milk, because it's really creamy on the top part and we have to save this for putting different time for our coconut milk. So I'm gonna remove the top part, the creamy part. Okay, and now I separate the top part and the bottom part. It will be a little thin, as you can see in the can. Now we turn on the stove, high heat, and I'm gonna use the 1 cup to our chicken stock. Okay, just wait a minute until our chicken stock boil, and I'm gonna add the chicken. I forget to tell you, before I add the chicken, I'm just gonna add all the herbs. Okay, our shallot going 2 shallot, 3 slices galangal, and 3 lemongrass. If you have a big lemongrass, only use 2. Okay, and wait until everything boil. Okay, now our chicken stock getting boiled. I'm gonna add our chicken. I use 10 ounce chicken breast and chicken thigh. Okay, add all our chicken. Okay, and let the chicken and the herb and the broth cook together. Okay, after add the chicken, now we're gonna add our bottom part, our coconut milk. Okay, add it all in. Make sure you get everything. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix the coconut milk and the chicken all together and let them cook. And now I'm gonna change the stove to be the medium heat. Okay, and let the chicken and coconut milk and all the herb cook together. Okay, now our chicken start getting boiled. Next, I'm gonna add our mushroom. Add all the mushroom. Okay, and we can add the tomato at this same time as the mushroom too. Okay, tomato will add a little sour, sweet and sour into your soup and will turn out really good. When everything starts boil again, I'm gonna add the next ingredient. I'm gonna add the sweet pepper. Okay, and green onion. Make the colorful and more flavored. Okay, and mix them all well together. And now we're gonna change the heat to be low a little bit, and we're gonna start seasoning. I use 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon white sugar. Give this a mix just a little bit. The mushroom release all the water, tomato release all the water, and all the herbs start cooking together. Smell really good right now. Next, I'm gonna add 2.5 tablespoons fish sauce. Okay, and give this a good mix again. Okay, and now we can add our Thai chili and kaffir lamb leaf. Okay. Next, don't forget your coconut cream. Remember, we remove the coconut cream from the top part from the can in the coconut milk, so that's nice and thick. Okay. We don't add the coconut cream in the beginning because they will separate when we cook the chicken and everything. That's why we have to add on the end. Okay, and the heat have to be low. And now you give this a good mix. And after you put the coconut cream and your soup coming boil a little bit like this, now we done. I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm gonna add a 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice. Okay, and give this a good mix and taste your soup if you need more sour or salty. That's it, now we're done. Now we're gonna put in the serving bowl. Oh, look at it, all this vegetable and the chicken. Wow. They smell really good. Oh, I wish you guys can be here with me now. Okay, and the last two for garnish is our cilantro. Just put a little cilantro on top to garnish. And if you have the fried chili, just put this fried chili on top of your coconut soup. This chili will add a smoky flavor into the soup. Here and now I'm ready to try our Thai coconut soup. They look really good right now. I can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna mix them a little bit. Wow, look at all vegetable and the chicken. I'm gonna grab some chicken and some mushroom. Wow. This is a big bite. I hope it's not too hot for me right now. Yeah, not too hot. Really good. Wow. Sweet, sour, just a little bit spicy. You have to try the Thai coconut chicken soup. They so good and delicious. They easy to make, not too spicy, and now it will warm you up in the winter. Thank you so much for the kitchen mama to give me this 2 can opener. It's really helped me. I will keep the small one because I already used it, and I'm gonna give the larger one away. If you want to have the chance to win, please click the link below and I will take you to my website where you can answer your email so I can contact you if you win. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe.